Have you ever gotten the DRMCDM78 error code when trying to stream content on Hulu? Well, you are not alone. This is a common problem that many people have been experiencing lately, and while it can be an annoyance for some, others might find ways to watch their favorite TV shows without paying for it. The Hulu Error Code DRMCDM78 means that you have exceeded your bandwidth limit for the month or year. In this video, I'll show you exactly 3 ways by which you can get rid of this error. This is Sonit from techietrickle. Now, what is this Hulu Error Code DRMCDM78? Well, this prevents users from streaming Hulu content, as I said earlier. Now, this is because this code contains a playback restrictions, which means that your account expires on either December or October, and therefore you cannot stream anything from Hulu. Now, how do you fix this error? You can update the Hulu billing information. If you are a Hulu subscriber and your account has expired, please update your billing information with the help of official Twitter Hulu support, and you will find the link in the description down below. So go to settings on your device and change the date from January 31st to December 31st or October 31st, again depending on what package you subscribe to, and then log back in. Now, the next thing is clearing your cache on Hulu. Now, many subscribers feel frustrated about not being able to watch their favorite TV shows and movies. Now, some people have even blamed the company for intentionally holding back episodes. Now, did you ever think that way? Comment below yes so that I know you felt that way. Now, for clearing the cache on Hulu, the first step is to open the browser settings, and then you need to delete and empty out all the corrupted cached data and cookies from all the browsers. So that way you can ensure that your cache is clean. The next important way is checking the status of Hulu servers. Hulu servers might be experiencing problems due to a substantial traffic spike, more than double than the usual amount, or there might be a planned outage. The good news is that when this happens, you can check if there is an ongoing outage in your region or location, or if other users are also facing that downtime. The link to this application or this website is given in the description down below, and that's called outages. The bad news is if there is no planned outage by Hulu, then you might still be encountering this Hulu error code because your device cache hasn't cleared yet. So you need to go back to the step 2 that I just now talked about and ensure that your cache is clean. Now, I don't say that these are the only ways by which you can fix this error code. Besides, if you check my blog, I have an extensive article where I provide you 7 solutions to fix this error code. Make sure you check them out and the other fixes that I have mentioned in that article.
Now, I would really appreciate if you can give me a like and also subscribe to my channel, clicking the notification bell so that you are notified as soon as I come up with such videos again. Please share this video with all your friends and family in social media because YouTube likes that engagement. Now, there are 2 videos that are coming up right now on your screen, so please make sure that you watch them till the end. Till the next time, bye-bye.